delicious, creamy, and thick coffee. Alright, so first we're gonna add 5 ice cubes to our blender. Oh, stuck in there. You guys can see that. They're stuck. Wait. Alright. Now we're just gonna blend these until they probably like crumble. I'm gonna save you guys from the noise. So I'll see you guys after my ice cubes are blended. Yeah, so my ice is all blended up. Show you guys. Alright. That's how it looks. Kinda like shaved ice. Alright. Now to that, I'm gonna add about half a cup of sugar. If you guys want more sugar, you can add it later, but for now I'm just adding half a cup. Now we're gonna blend this until the sugar is kind of combined with that. The sugar is all combined. Now we're gonna add about a full cup of cold milk. Alright. I'm just gonna go clean this up. This is fine. You guys have messes. That's totally fine. This will just clean it up. So I'm gonna clean it up and I'll see you guys after it's all blended. I'm just gonna be blending. Okay, looks like it is done. To that we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And now we're just gonna mix that up. I'll see you guys after everything is blended up. Coffee to be like really frothy, so feel free to like blend it up for like 5 minutes. Now the coffee is done. Now I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. In this glass, all I have is chocolate syrup. Now this is called a milk frother, right? This was all over TikTok, so I'm gonna try it. You put it in the chocolate syrup, and then you lift it up, right? So that. Oh, it's giving me these chocolate rings. That is so cool. Okay. Alright, so this is how it looks on the outside. Now, we're going to add our coffee into the cup. Oh my god, this looks so smooth. There you go. Just like that, you have thick coffee without ice cream in less than 4 ingredients. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!